Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be dropping this phone inside this time instead of on concrete. This is an iPhone 4S. It is locked with a iCloud. And the screen and back aren't in very good shape. There's some damage up here, so not sure how this is going to do inside, being that the surface is a little bit easier. We'll start on the back in 3, 2, 1. This is like not real hardwood. It's like a laminate. But let's see. Back looks fine. Not gonna do the corner drop because it'd be kind of pointless. We'll go face down in 3, 2, 1. I just heard it turn on. There you go. Seems to be in decent shape still. Doesn't seem like it has any cracks. We're gonna go back height from chest height roughly. Still no cracks on the back. The front seems fine. Let's turn the flashlight on. Yeah, flashlight works and everything. Let's go ahead and do the face down from chest height in 3, 2, 1. I don't expect it to actually crack, but kind of wonder, maybe it might. Looks to be in good shape still. We're going to go up to, well, there's a little bit of damage right there. That chip right there is missing. We'll go ahead and go up to head height on the back in 3, 2, 1. E. That sounds good. Turned off. Back did not crack. That was really loud though. I was kind of expecting it to be broken. Let me go ahead and pause real quick and I can wipe the screen down real quick. Alright, so I gave it a quick wipe down. As you can see, the screen's not in very good shape, but there is no cracks. So we'll go ahead and go on to the face down in 3, 2, 1. Extremely loud. I think it says the type of flooring it is. Screen still isn't cracked. Yeah, got a pretty bad chip up there now. Maybe I was there before, but I'm going to go above head height now. In 3, 2, 1. Still no damage. Alright, shut off again. Let's go and go screen down as high as we can. In 3, 2, 1. Woo, shattered. So that actually cracked the phone somehow. Back still isn't shattered, but the screen, LCD and everything, completely shattered. We're going to do one more in the back, and if that doesn't work, then we're going to call it the backer survival and the screen will fail. So there's the cracks on it right now. In 3, 2, 1. So I don't know if you've seen the LCD go blue. There it is. Cracked a little bit more on the front. Looks to have turned off. So there's the damage, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.